Hello everyone, today we have a 2020 Ford F-150 Super Crew 4x4 with the FX4 off-road package. And that is running smooth, so I'm going to go ahead and close this up and take it for a tour. See that you do have the fog lights and tow hooks up front, alloy wheels, and the XLT package on this one. So you do have a power sliding back window and a tow package. Blind spot monitor. So it does have black fabric seats. Got your floor mats, and there's your 110 volt outlet right there. Here is your keypad for entry without keys, which I use mine in my F-150 all the time. There's your VIN. And I will add still photos of these as well. Look down here, you'll see that it has 7,643 miles on this vehicle. Right here are your trip computer toggles, your cruise control, your push to talk, your stereo. We're going to come over here and we're going to turn this down. See that it does have heated seats up front. And you got your 2- and 4-wheel drive right here, your trailering. Then you got your Ford Select Shift and your shifter and cup holders. Here's your phone charging station down in here. Okay, come over here. Here's another 110 volt outlet. Super convenient. And down there is additional stowage. Up here, when we jump to audio, you can see that it does have AM, FM, Sirius XM, and Bluetooth. Then here are your other apps via your phone and your settings. And if you want to see your backup camera, you pop it in reverse. There's your backup camera in HD. All right. And then there's your glove compartment. As you come up here, you'll see that there's your glasses holder, your map reading lights and such. And that about wraps it up for this F-150 on the interior. This particular vehicle does have a branded title. There's an impact here up front. The airbags did not deploy. There was no structural damage, so we got it all fixed up. It has passed the 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com. In the spirit of full disclosure, here is a copy of the original label for your vehicle, so you can see what it was equipped with straight out of the factory.